Certainly, gentlemen. It's very simple, if you're a genius like me. Now, here I have liquid A, and here I have liquid B. They're a compound of a lot of scientific jazz. Now, nothing happens until I mix the two. First, liquid A, then liquid B. Next, shake well. And now, from the A and B, I get the magic formula, no can see. One swallow of no can see, and you become invisible. There is one great danger, gentlemen. If formula, why, certainly. Heavens! Well, no can see. I no can see. No can see. The formula's gone. Obviously stolen by some villainous, unscrupulous criminal. No, but I'm working on it. It should be ready in about 10 years.